Today we will find some rational numbers between two given rational numbers. First, one rational number between two given rational numbers. A one rational number between the two given rational numbers a and b is given by 1 by 2a plus b. That means if a and b are two given rational numbers, then a rational number between a and b will be half of their sum. Suppose that we wanted to find a rational number between 2 and 3. This is your a, this is your b. The rational number between 2 and 3 is equal to 1 by 2, 2 plus 3, that means 1 by 2 multiplied 5, that means 5 by 2. This means if this is 2, this is 3, and this will be 5 by 2, which will be between the two rational numbers 2 and 3. Another example, if you want to find a rational number between 2 upon 4 and 3 upon 5, then the rational number between 2 upon 4 and 3 upon 5 will be 1 by 2 into 2 upon 4 plus 3 upon 5. That will be equal to 1 by 2, 20, 5 2 is 10, 4 3 is 12. That is 22 by 20, that is 11 by 20. This is 3 by 5 and this is 2 by 4, because 3 by 5 is less than 2 by 4. 5 4 3 is 12, 5 2 is 4 3 is 12, 5 2 is 2 upon 4, and this is 3 upon 5, and the rational number between 2 by 4 and 3 by 5 will be 11 by 20. Hence, we can calculate a rational number between two given rational numbers. Okay? To find n rational numbers between two given rational numbers a and b, where a is less than b. To find n rational numbers between a and b, firstly we find b minus a and divide this difference by n plus 1, that will be denoted by d. After finding the a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d, a plus nd will be n rational numbers between a and b. That means this will be a plus d, this will be a plus 2d, this will be a plus 3d, this will be a plus 4d, and that dot dot, this will be a plus nd. Hence, we can find n rational numbers between the two given rational numbers a and b. For example, okay, Now we will find 5 rational numbers between 2 and 3. Here A is 2, B is 3 and N is 5 because we want to find 5 rational numbers, therefore N is 5. Find D. D is equal to B minus A upon N plus 1, that is 3 minus 2 upon 5 plus 1, that is 1 by 6. Find A plus D. 2 plus 1 by 6, that is 13 by 6. A plus 2D, that means 2 plus 2 into 1 by 6, that is 7 by 3. A plus 3D, 2 plus 3 into 1 by 6, that is 5 by 2. A plus 4D, 2 plus 4 into 1 by 6, that is 8 by 3. A plus 5D, that means A 2 plus 5 into 1 by 6, that is 17 by 6. Hence, these numbers 13 by 6, 7 by 3, 5 by 2, 8 by 3, 17 by 6, all these 5 numbers lay between 2 and 3, and hence we get 5 rational numbers between 2 and 3. We can calculate many rational numbers between two given rational numbers using this formula, and we should know that there are infinitely many rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Okay.